Tagal ko lang di nakapag-live. So, finally, kumuha lang ako ng time para makapag-live. So, hindi muna ako pause muna ang pagsasayaw for tonight. So, kumustahan and chikahan lang here on TikTok Live. And sasagot na rin ako ng mga few questions lang being asked on the comment section. Dito ko na lang rin sagutin. Kumusta kayo? Hi! Okay. Hello to the people who joined. Gising pa kayo. Hello! Sino dito? Sino na yung mga nag-join? Janine and Dea. Hi! Okay. Pag dumami-dami na yung viewers, I'll start answering questions na mga nakita ko sa comment section. Kaya bigla ako nahiyan nag-live night. Sobrang tagal na kasi since nag-live ako, so wala. Na-miss ko lang mag-live here in TikTok. Stretch mo saglit. Huwag po muna. Tulog na daw ako. Huwag po. Ang tagal ko hindi nag-live, so pagbigyan nyo na. Hindi naman to sobrang dalas. Yes, natulog na ako. Actually, the whole day. Pinlan ko talaga na madaling araw ko mag-live. Because I don't feel like going live kanina. Makikipagkwentuhan lang ako through live. Because why not? Hello? Can you guys hear me? Narinig niyo ba ako? Ayan, mas chill na. Natulog na ako. Yes po, natulog na ako kanina. Kasi plan ko talaga is madaling araw ko mag-live. I'm gonna try to play music tonight. Music jam session pala to. Oh my God, ang fresh ko tonight. Okay, hello guys. Million Diamond Club.
My love was as cruel as the cities I lived in. Everyone looked worse in the light.
Guys, narinig niyo ba ako?
There are so many lines that I've crossed unforgiven. I'll tell you the truth, but never goodbye. I don't wanna look at anything else now that I saw you. I've been sleeping so long in a 20-year dark night, and now I see daylight. I only see daylight.
Hi! Hello to the people who joined. Okay. Okay, let's greet the people na nauna nag-join. Hi, Dea. Hi, Janine. Hi, Jen. Okay, medyo madami na kayo. So, I'm gonna start answering question.
Only trust the unlucky, and so I became part of the joke. I wounded the good, and I trusted the wicked. Clearing the air, I breathed in the smoke. Baby, you ran with the wolves and refused to settle down. First single room in this town. Threw out our cloaks and our daggers because it's morning now. It's burning out. Now I don't wanna look at anything else now that I saw you. I could never look away. I don't wanna think of anything else now that I got you. It's never be the same. Been sleeping so long in a 20-year
Dark night. Guys, I'm so interested. Kung you guys from now, anong location niyo now? To people who have joined so far, can you let me know, please? So I can greet you, name, and then you're from, like, kunwari ako. Hi, C from Pampanga. Hello sa mga bago nag-join. Okay, the first question that I'm gonna be answering is, it's a question from, hold on, check ko. Jong Whoopi. May nag-comment from one of my TikTok posts. Hi, Trisha. Guys, yung mga nag-join, anong location nyo? Not really the exact location, of course. Kahit ano lang, city, province. Hi, Aika. Hi, Mark. Si Kuya Mark ba to? Tita. Someone commented, Tita. Hi, pamangkin ba kita? Kit. And I see daylight. Wanna see daylight, daylight, day. Ito yung song na napilo ko for tonight kasi sobrang LSS na ako for how many days? Daylight by Taylor. Guys, where are you from? Ano po lipstick and shade? The lipstick that I'm using. Teka, sagutin ko muna yung naunang question na galing sa comment section from one of my TikTok posts. Guys, where are you from? Can someone, sana to people who are joining this live, I really wanna know kung saan kayo location. Not really the exact location naman. Like, anong province nyo or from which city kayo. Now, Dasma po. Hi! Oh, someone from Dasma. Hi! Thanks for letting me know. Hello po sa mga taga Dasmariñas, Cavite. Okay. Someone commented na a location, Dasma. He or she is from Dasma. Hello! Hi, Daisy. Ano ka, gold? Pwede pong diamond, pwede rin gold. Basta pag-alahas, di tayo choosy. Okay, hinanap ko lang yung comment. Nasasagutin ko through live na lang instead of sa TikTok ko. Hold on. Stretch lang saglit. Hindi ako nakapag-workout today since nagpe-prepare ako. Uy, na-miss ko mag-live in fairness. And hang out sa mga tao who wants to join my live. Tita. Aw. I like that term. Tita. And I can still see it all. All of you, all of me. I once believed I would be. But it's, oh my god, miss ko na yung pamangkin ko. Favorite namin to. This is so far our theme song. Hello po from Agusan del Sur, del Sur. Del Sur nga eh. That's from Mindanao. Hello po sa mga taga Mindanao. May nag-comment. Ate, ano masabi mo sa... Hold on. Papansinin ko yung comment mo. Mag-react ako dyan. May nauna lang na nagtanong sa akin. So, i-prioritize muna natin yun. The comment section ng mga TikTok posts ko. So, a question from Jong Whoopi. He's asking if, ate, paano mo po na-survive yung college school ko nung college, which is UST. Paano ko daw na-survive kasi parang hindi na daw niya kaya doon. First question is, what are you doing there? Are you a student? Residente lang? That's one question I have. So if you're a student, if you're there as a student, so I'm not quite sure kasi kung I don't have 100% bigger picture of paano na yung panahon ngayon. Kasi baka iba na kasi nung panahon namin. So, I can only speak nung time na nag-aaral ako doon. That was way back kasi batch 2013 ako. And I started my college life 2008. Okay, just to give you an idea kung yung what was it during our time paano ba siya na-survive? Well, dami ko kasi naging friends nung college talaga. So, sobrang naging big factor yon na ang dami mong kakilala rin. Aside from your classmates, blockmates, I also have friends from sa hometown namin na Pampanga. Nakatulong din yun sa akin sobra. Para hindi ako masyadong ma-intimidate since galing kami ng province, 'di ba? So, yun. Medyo na-expedite yung pag-adjust ko sa city life because meron na akong mga kasama and super friendly ko nun. Ganun yung naging ugali ko nung almost all throughout my college life. Sobrang friendly ko, sobrang bait ko sa pakikisama. And of course, syempre, yung ano na rin dyan, of course, yung family mo, big factor yon. Nung college ako, talagang syempre, di ko rin yung masasurvive without them, without their help, support, pagtitiis, 'di ba? Yung hard work din nila para mapagtapos kami, ako. So, hindi siya, parang not really because of me. Talagang dami ring other factors or people na nakatulong para ma-survive and ma-enjoy ko yung college life ko. Kasi very important yun that you have to make sure na meron kang time to enjoy it. Most ng college life mo, yun yung sa akin. Mas na-enjoy ko siya more than sineryoso ko masyado yung pag-aaral. Pero nakagraduate naman ako. Tell you the truth, but never goodbye. I don't wanna look at anything else now that I saw you. I can never look away. Okay, someone's asking, ano daw yung lipstick na gamit ko right now? It's from MAC. Ang tagal na nito sa akin, guys. Super tipid niyang gamitin. So, sulit. Ito yung color niya. Ayan. Super ganda nito. It's in the shade Flat Out Fabulous. Nabulol pa. Flat Out Fabulous. Flat Out Fabulous. Ano nangyari sa English ko? Kakapiliin ko ng Pilipinas trend ko na ito eh. It's Retro Matte, MAC Retro Matte Flat Out Fabulous. There. I said it right. I'm not quite sure if kasi I have a feeling na sobrang tagal na nito eh. It could be parang, how do you call it? Limited edition siya. Baka ganon. So, ayun. Minention ko na lang rin the shade just to answer your question. Basta it's from MAC. Tapos ito yung kulay niya. Yan. Okay, hold on. Sobrang ganda nga talaga nito. A friend of mine, meron din siyang ganito. I'm not quite sure. Parang pag in-apply siya dun sa lips niya, ganito rin yung color niya. So, I'm not quite sure if it's the same brand and shade. Ayan. That's a question from Roar. Ayun, Roar. That's the lipstick that I'm using right now. Roar from Dasma. Guys, where are you from?
There are so many lines that I've crossed unforgiven. I'll tell you the truth, but never goodbye. I don't wanna look at anything else now that I saw you. I don't wanna think of anything else now that I've thought of you. I've been sleeping so long in a 20-year dark night, and now I see daylight. I only see daylight. Only trust the unlucky. So I became a part of the joke. Daylight, daylight.
Oh, by the way, feel free to ask more questions. Because I'm really planning to hang out sa live na matagal. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon from wherever you are. But more of, gusto ko malaman ano location nyo para magawa natin yung hi blah 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 from ganun. Kunwari ako, hi C from Cavite, hi hi G from Pampanga. Kit naman ang comment, tita, hi! I miss you, my cutest pamangkin. Whenever I see tita na comment or term, siya yung naalala ko. Hi, Chel. Q, wala bang bago nag-join? Ba't may badge na do not disturb? Lara join. Hi, babe. Is this babe? TikTok post ko. Sana nasagot. And, ayun, i-enjoy mo lang kung saan ka man. Makakasurvive at makakasurvive ka. If survival lang naman ang hi, Don Emilio. If survival lang naman yung if survival lang naman yung pinag-uusapan. Okay. Buti na lang hindi ako sobrang tanga today. Nag-purchase ako ng pangkulay online kasi I wanna test out a new brand. Kasi when it comes to girls kasi guys, to explain lang yung girl logic, yung dumating sa akin, it's for a good reason naman, pero wala, hindi ko pa rin talaga feel. It's supposed to be ash blonde, pero parang yung dumating sa akin na order, hindi siya yung nakita ko sa online. Parang siya naging dark brown. For the base sana, yun yung gagamitin ko, ash blonde. And then, to achieve a balayage look, kasi sobrang gusto kong magka-balayage hair. Yun na yung pinakamatagal na sobrang gusto kong ma-achieve na everyday look ng hair ko is yung balayage. Well, because it's uso. And so far, yun na yung pinakabagay sa akin. Sa buhok na color. Ito, nakita ko naman to sa isa ko pang idol na TikTokerist. Ang ganda din ng hair niya. Ako kasi more on blondie talaga yung type ko sa buhok. Parang ash gray or ashy gray yung ano niya, yung pagkabalayage niya. Ang ganda. Ayun, hindi natuloy, mukhang hindi matutuloy mo na yung excuse me. Magkukulay kasi talaga ako ng buhok before I go live. Nagkulay naman ako. On na yung pagka-blondie ko. Hindi na siya magiging blondie. Buti hindi ko tinuloy talaga. Tinest out ko muna on some parts. So, order na lang ulit ako dun sa original brand na trusted ko talaga from Lazada. I think I can do live until 5 a.m. Hotching! Play natin to. Ayan. Maganda na yung hair niya, no? Naaaliw ako dun sa mga bagong, ano yun, yung mga bagong entry dun sa, eto yun, teka. Piliin mo ang Pilipinas na trend.
Minsa'y natuwa ang may likha, 750 ang ginawa. Mga hiyas na inilatag sa kalasuklang dagat. At ang bayan niyang pinili, nasa tulong ng bahaghari. Kaya't 1,000 kulay na aking kumagaway. Piliin mo ang Pilipinas, pagulo ang kwitas ng tela.
Piliin mo, yakapin mo. Oh my God, may bago akong nagustuhan sa trend na to. Although super bet na bet ko pa rin, of course. Para nagiging teleserye ko na tong TikTok. Diba? Ang ganda ng ano niya, ng entry niya dito. Super, oh, ang ganda! Tingnan niyo naman yung gown niya. Parang Encantada-ish yung mga gown nila dito. But this one, parang dinaig pa yung mga ano dun sa Encantada, no? Meron akong bago nakita dito. For this trend. Share ko lang. Eto guys, ang ganda rin. Ang ganda ng gown niya dito. Kapampangan din to. I think she's from Angeles yata. If I'm not mistaken. Super pretty niya. Gay. May bago guys. Ito, kakanood ko lang to. Ulit. Panoorin natin. Hindi niya.
Minsa'y natuwa ang may likha, 750 ang ginawa. Mga hiyas